Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and those who are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Well guys, first of all, happy Republic Day, and today I've made a very special breakfast recipe. This is popularly known in South Indian, especially in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Kerala look confused because in our place Kerala tita do noide, we call it Kerala do Kerala so Kerala and Tamil Nadu is famous. So this is called puttu. See this, it's a breakfast recipe, and it's made out of rice flour. So today I made this. So first of all, we will show you how we made this puttu. So to make this puttu, we need two instruments. This is puttu maker. Here we will add water, and see this. In this cylinder, we have this one more. Then just put it like this and cover it. So this is one puttu maker, and this is coconut grater. So by this we will grate the coconut. See, I have already grated the coconut. You can buy both this product from Amazon. The link is in the description box. You can buy it from there. So I'm going to use two types of rice flour. This is brown rice flour. And this is white rice flour. And a little bit of salt. Now we'll mix this. Mix it nicely. So now we will add some warm water. Don't use very hot water, it's just lukewarm water. Mix it very nicely. There shouldn't be any lumps. See? Ini na thakibo lage. Idon sabe. Itu pura mix hobo lage bhalora. It shouldn't be too watery also. I will show you the consistency. Idu nimne aste pani halibo lage. So guys, it's mixed nicely. I will show you how is it. See, when you're holding like this, it's a ball hobo lage. But again, if you break it, it pura ini agona dissolve hobo lage. So this is the consistency, okay? So the mixture is ready. We will keep it aside, and now in this puttu button, we will boil the water. So ini ase sabe. तो ये पानी हालिबो इमान ता खाली मैं गैस स्टोव को ऑन करबो and we will wait for the water to boil. So पानी तो भालरा boil होइसे इदिया मगन इदो rice flour ना mixture तो हालिबो. So remember इदो lid तो थाकिबो लागे अंदर दे. First of all, coconut iman lobi, and then adi halibi. Then idu sugar ase. Sugar is just optional. And handful of rice flour. See. Then after that, same thing, you repeat it. Coconut, sugar, and a handful of rice flour. Coconut, sugar, and rice flour. and then at last coconut oil phali dibi aro sugar be ena ona oru phali dibi to ekdom lid pra cover koribi and put it here and the pani la steam bra will cook this and it will take like minimum 5 minutes to cook sabi bhal ra pake je steam ola to dikhi ase so 3 minutes jina hoise aro we will cook like 3 more minutes okay it's been like more than 5 minutes flame the log kom kori dibo aro see easy way ase now we will open this lid pichi de back side la lid te ne press kori dibi and slowly see this itu to ulai dibi see dikishna pura ekta full log ninga olawo lage then we'll keep this aside second trip maribo powers na parone kondo first halibo lage first we will add this coconut plus a sugar handful of rice flour so repeat the same process and then upode coconut sugar cover the lid and we'll keep this for steaming so second batch bhi hoise je namai dibo itu logode itu bunaisi moi green mung dal then banana now ija do khawle time ase to idu green mung dal aro banana logode idu puttu do mix kuna ena ona South Indian kan bhal bra khai do to yede ena sikije to khawle nagala chutney dibi mix kuna khaw bare kuno ekdom alag taste ta dia ase do so idu breakfast e khai ase to nimne moi like I said sugar dhali je moi curry gan like chicken gan don khawum jale do like you don't need to add this sugar green mung dal aro banana aro idu mix kuna khado ekdom combination ekdom bhal ase do aro the green mung dal do kubi fry kora nai soak kuna rakhise aro sida boil korche namak tali na boil korche bas idu ase simple recipe ase do so guys apni anaji kiba notun das sikiji bare moi bi do notun sika ase do puttu goi do South Indian ni bishi famous ase so this is very tasty and very healthy food and also my subscribers from South India please let me know how I made this and please comment in the comment section below also so guys thank you so much for watching this video today I'm going to enjoy this once again happy Republic Day and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel hit the like button and also the notification icon see you in the next video bye bye